Good morning. Today is Wednesday, July 1st, and I wanted to come on here and share what I saw on the market, particularly the S&P 500. That is the top 500 companies in the US. Earlier in the week, we had to stay above the 740 level. And then once we got above 743, you can see we gravitated up to this big supply zone here, and we rejected, came back down and retested the previous level. That brings us to today, where you can see we still held that 743 level. And after the break of the opening range, and when I say opening range, I'm just talking about the first candle. You can see the entry for calls would have been here. Calls when playing stock options is saying, hey, I think the stock price is going to increase to the upside. And so you would have been able to grab those and got at least 50%. If you were holding this whole time, you would have got over 100%. Basically, you would have doubled your money. And so I just wanted to come on here and give you a more of a deeper dive breakdown what exactly happened. Like I said, we got above the opening range. So when I go down to the 5 minute time frame, this was the 15-minute time frame, by the way. So when I go down to the 5 minute time frame, you can see we came back, tested this level, went under it briefly, but quickly buyers stepped in. That's what this area represents. A lot of buyers coming into the market. You can see as far as the volume as well, buyers stepped in, and then right here would have been my entry around 9 o'clock. That's usually when we have a reversal anyway, and that's when the market really wants to pick a direction. And so, like I said, this candle is telling me, hey, I don't want to be in this zone that's acting as a magnet, and I actually want to increase. So that's why I would have grabbed calls. And to this level, the 747, I got that from right here. You can see 747 right here, this big old large number. That's where a lot of buyers and sellers were sitting. Whoever had more presence there uh, would win the argument. And as you can see, this level, buyers stepped in and was like, hey, we want to push the price even higher. So again, if you would have got in here, you would at least got 50%. But if you would have been holding this whole time, you would be up over 100%. So, but keep in mind that we are in a supply zone, and that just means basically this is an area that we have to be cautious at, because last time we made it here, we sold off. Last time we made it here, we sold off. This happened. Then we got back here yesterday on a 4 hour time frame. We got back here yesterday, sold off. And now we're here again for the third time. Will the third time be the charm? Will we finally get back above 750? That has yet to be seen. So just want to come over here, break that down. If you have any questions, or if you want to find out exactly how I find these key levels, you definitely want to just continue to show up, lock in. If you want to get mentored by me one-on-one to get profitable, you definitely want to take advantage of my system that I'm having. I'm having a special this month. So just send me a DM and I will get back to you. All right. Hope you all have a good trading session.